Is that a good duck? Did you tell that duck, come on, come back in here, come on. Call him Rudy. Say, come on. No, don't say yep. Say, come on. You're a duck. Duck, 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 goose. They're getting so big. They're getting so big. We're going to have to stop feeding them. Caesar, do you see your ducks? What? In the pool. Plooch, plooch, plooch. Come on, little brother, little sister. You could get in the water too. Come on. Whoop. Come on, can you get up? There you go. Whoa, we're out of here. We're back. Whoa, run. Come on back. Beep, 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 beep. Come on. That was fast.